Are you up for a CI/CD challenge? Here's a question for you. What is the purpose of a build server or a build agent in a CI/CD pipeline? A. To compile and package the application code. B. To deploy the application to production. C. To monitor application performance. Or D. To manage source code repositories. The answer to this one is obviously A. A build server, build agent, or is being used to compile and package the application code. It is an instance of a small virtual machine or of a bigger virtual machine that ideally would be just brought up on demand. It would start from scratch with the same state of every time that it's being executed. And with that, it empowers you to reproducibly create builds and packages of your application code before you actually take that and bring that to a production environment. Did you get it right? If not, please let me know so I can help you understand this.